Now we will discuss about the SDLC third phase, design phase. So what is the design phase? Design phase, in this design phase, the system architecture is defined. This includes designing the system interface, data structure, algorithms, and high level and low level design document are often created. So design. Design means what will be the design, what will be the visuality, uh, uh, design of the application or website. This phase will decide that. So the design phase is the critical step in the process of developing a software project conceptual blueprint. Okay, during this phase the requirement gather. So first we will gather the requirement. This is the requirement analysis phase, then transform into the design document phase. Okay, and this phase includes the details such as system design, means what will be the design of sign up page, sign in page, product page, cart page, checkout page, product description page. Each and everything is the design phase. So this phase will include the design phase. So the SDD includes details such as system design, programming language, templates, platform, and security measures. So it may also flowchart. Okay. So design actually divides two part. What? First high level design and then low level design. Okay. So first we will discuss about the high level and low level design. Uh, this part is the high level. Acha, just write this. HLD means high level design, and LLD LLD means low level design. Okay, so just divide the high level and low level design. Okay, so first high level design. What is the purpose of high level design? Provides an overview of the system architecture and components. And low level design details the implementation of individual components and modules. Okay, so first here will be the architecture and components. So architecture what architecture and what component component means, sign up, sign in, product and specification and description, and then add to cart, then the size, if the sub product is the size, color, then cart page, then checkout page. It's the component and architecture. So which architecture will be the include for high level, means which side will be this design is the architecture, and other is the individual component. Individual component low level design is individual individual component and module. Okay, so in this phase we will discuss about individual component. Already I will say what is the component, but and now individual components, individual modules means which components, which modules will do the include. It's the low level design. Okay. Next, focus. Focus is the system architecture data flow interaction between the major components. So high level design is the system architecture, data flow and interaction. And low level is the algorithm, data structure and logic. So high level design is basically what? The data flow means how how actually how will the work flow means in this phase we will discuss the flow architecture architecture and interaction means modern design. Okay. And low level design it's basically the implementation by the code using programming language. Okay, this is the low level design. Understand? So high level design it's what will be the flow, which side will be the component and the interaction. Means suppose right side will be the suppose I will say of the cartridge. Right side will be the part of user details and left side will be the price, discount, coupon code. This is the flow and architecture. Okay, and it's a modern interaction. So those are the high level design. Low level design, where will the implementation by the code like HTML or CSS and or using any framework like React, Vue.js, Angular. So it's the low level design. Next, diagram types. Diagram types. What is the diagram type? Search architecture diagram, module, data flow diagrams. Already I say class diagram, sequence diagram, detail flowchart. I say audience. Side. Suppose stakeholder, project manager, and developer looking the system overview. So actually, high level design who are the involved and who will the check. It check product manager, product or project manager, customer or stakeholder. Those are overview high level design. But low level design, who are the responsible? It's the designer, developer, tester are the responsible for low level design. So, what is high level design? High level design is the documentation, it's the planning, it's the flow, it's the architecture, and who are responsible? Product manager, project manager, and stakeholders. Those are responsible high level design. Low level design, according the high level design will be the implementation of the design using programming language like HTML, CSS, or for the framework React, Angular, Vue.js. This is the low level design. And who are the responsible? Developers, designers, tester. Those are the responsible low level design. It's the implementation part. Low level is the implementation part, high level is the flow part, architecture part. Okay. So anything example for the high level design like user management, payment processing, reporting, and already I say, okay, architecture, flow, and low level design is the implementation like database schema, API means API implementation, database schema means database design. Okay, authentication process means sign up, sign in. It's the low level design. Okay, so example, suppose user management, payment, authentication, authentication, data flow, data flow chart. It's an example. And low level design example, database schema. Okay. Then the API implementation. Okay. Code. Okay. Those are the example. And level of all details already I say less detail, focusing product concept for high level design, and low level design is the highly detailed and specify exact logic and interaction. So low level design is the implementation part, so we'll use the exact logic and interaction because it's the practical part for the low level design, and high level design is the less detail focusing broader concept and summary. What is the summary? It's the main point for both summary. And keep it mind when interviewer will ask the summary, it is the main and it is the important and vital point. Okay, just one word. When we attend the interview, you should not say each and everything. This is the actually understanding for you, but you will say only just definition or one sentence to interviewer will understand. You know high level and low level design. So what the system will do, it is the summary of high level design. And for low level design, summary how the will be will be the done. Okay, so this is the vital and important point. Okay, keep in mind these two only you just say when you will attend the interview. Summary for the high level design, what the system will do, and for the low level design, how will be the done. Okay, and next phase we will discuss about the development. Thank you.